Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing well. So my last makeup transformation celebrity was Demi Lovato. I'll link the video just in case you missed it. For this video, I'm actually going to make a step-by-step tutorial of just the eyeshadow. So if you want to know how I did this eyeshadow look, keep on watching. So I started out by basically covering my whole eyelid with concealer so that I'll have a blank canvas. Then I blended everything with my foundation brush. You can use any brush or sponge, it doesn't make any difference. Then I set the concealer with a light matte eyeshadow. Then I applied black eyeliner in my waterline at top and bottom. So I started with the first shade of dark brown, always tapping the excess off. I used the Jaclyn Hill palette, but you can achieve this look with other palettes for sure. Anyway, with this dark brown eyeshadow, I started placing the color in my outer corner in tapping motion. That way, the intensity is higher in that area. I dragged the color also into the outer area of my lower lash line and blending everything to create a smooth outer V with another warmer brown. I applied it above the dark brown, blending it on the same outer V and kept on blending through the whole under eye area. Then with the same color I focused more on the inner crease area and deepened it a little with the dark brown, but not as intense. As you can see, the blending takes time. The more you blend, the smoother it looks. Now I'm lining my top lash line with some black eyeliner. I haven't used a liquid eyeliner because I want to be able to blend it. Then with a brush I'm blending the eyeliner mostly on the outer part to intensify the dark brown furthermore. I added some black eyeshadow to set the eyeliner. Just make sure to start by tapping the area and then blend it to create a small black corner. Going too far out of the eye will dramatically change the look, so be careful if you don't want that. Then I've added a shimmery gold eyeshadow from the inner corner to the center of the eyelid and also in my inner under eye corner. Finish the look with a clean brush to soften any shimmer eyeshadow that might have gone in the crease area. Then I applied a good coat of mascara before I applied my false lashes. I will still apply a small coat after the eyelashes are fixed, but I find they sit better on lashes with mascara versus without. And while we're at it, I applied the mascara also to the bottom lash. And I forgot to add the highlight. I applied this with my finger to add intensity, and I'm kind of blending it with my finger till the center of the eyelid. I finished the look with eyelashes. And this is the final look. If you would like to see how I made the rest of the look, you can see this in my previous video where I contour specifically to try to look more like Demi Lovato. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe so that you won't miss out on future videos.